Hello, good day everyone. I am your teacher Lot, your teacher in reading and writing skills. This is my resume, and here's its best friend, the one-page cover letter, also known as wingman. Together they work wonders because what your cover letter does is set up the resume by highlighting what makes you a great fit for the job. It shows your personality with 3 concise paragraphs that should be readable in around 10 seconds or less. So, how do you write a cover letter? Let me walk you through one. Literally, let's say you're applying for an engineer job. Don't forget your header, date, name, address, contact information, and the likes. Kick it off with a greeting to address a hiring manager. If you can't, find out their name. If you can't, stick with this. The attention getter, the opening paragraphs. Introduce yourself and enthusiastically tell the employer why you are applying for the job. Include why you're excited and how the job lines up with your career goals. Avoid sounding formulaic by adding keywords from the job posting. That middle paragraph. Dig into your most relevant experience and talk about the specific qualifications and skills that make you the perfect candidate. Oh, and feel free to pause and read when you need to. I've only got so long. Where was I? Right. Make connections between your previous accomplishments. Employers will likely have read your resume already, so avoid repeating the bullet points. Instead, deeply illustrate those highlights. To close the curtain, thank the employer. You can also make any clarifications. For example, any major gaps in employment history. Then, provide a complimentary close and signature that's friendly yet formal, followed by your name. Well, I think that's everything. Remember that the smallest moves are sometimes the smartest. Like and subscribe for more tips in our YouTube channel, Eder Academics. Thank you so much for watching and listening. See you again next time. Goodbye, everyone.